What's something good to make with a master set of Shishibo? Great question, my friend. So a master set in Shishibo is 16 Shishibo. There are a lot of possible symmetries that are very satisfying in patterns of 4 with Shishibo. If you repeat the same shape 4 times, you are pretty much guaranteed to find something cool, okay? So if I get all of these stars put together, even those simple shapes end up making a build that is incredibly complex. And you can really follow this pattern through all of the basic Shishibo shapes, certainly, and quite a few complex ones. And sometimes you can connect them in multiple different ways. So this is all just to show you that the patterns of 4 within Shishibo work really well. Now, 16 is 4 squared, so 4 groups of 4. If I took any of those 4 Shishibo builds and made 4 of them and put them together, again, it would work really well. So we're going to look at some really cool ways that that can happen. We're going to do something cool with 16 Shishibo. I started by making 4 stars, and that is what I'm going to stick with because I love that combination. But I am just going to use this as my geometric and magnetic anchor for what I'm going to add to the outside. Let's add some stuff to the outside. Let's start with 3 of the same design here. We're going to make this guy right here. This shape is called the squirrel. And as you can see, I'm taking one section of my Shishibo and opening it up into this crown shape. And then I am pushing this back section on the bottom by opening this hinge up like a book, pushing that back section on the bottom through the middle and pulling it down like so, so that I can take both the top here and the bottom and fold them back on this hinge at the same time to make this shape called the squirrel. We're making a few more of our squirrels, and we're taking the dodecahedron up here that gets made when we connect all of the tails of the squirrels together, and then we can stick that dodecahedron right in that hexagonal hollow space left in the middle of the star. And so I just got to make a couple more of those. And because each of these squirrels are 3, and we have 4 in the center, so once we have 4 of those 3 squirrel combos around the outside, that'll be 12 in the squirrel, 4 in the star for a 16 Shishibo shape, also known as a master set. So we'll be seeing some of the really cool stuff that you can do with that many.